ya ene se obi wo hono ma oye ne ho ti se bia we ni mo ni ade as no de agewadi na ne de ye si supi se e ka se romance scam a ye den.
Okay, me don't see. And romance scam no. Fani amuko mudi kankai na obi ne pabet me aba o private mail maybe a WhatsApp and I also Facebook Messenger. Oba na oba introduce the humpo. Oba first na make say, oh hello dear. Na normally we share our message there but na nipa say hello dear. On name ba oba yen hu say e bi on name. Na obi stand say oh na me patcho wan ye wunne me won na offend dear. Very often oba ka tell say oh the phone the contact